In this video, I will be showing you how to use Claude AI API in Spring Boot Java. The prerequisite is going to be you must have the latest version of Java, and also you must have Claude AI API credits. I have done an entire tutorial how to buy Claude AI API credits. If you want to watch that, you can click on the card that is appearing on top. Just search for Claude console. We'll be having the official link platform.claude.com. Select this and make sure that you are signing in with your Claude account and adding those credits. And here we'll be having documentation. Open it, and in the documentation here we will be having the basic Java code, but we can go further and click messages. In messages, select quick start, and here just select Java. So we'll be having the important steps. And another thing is, here it says we need to have a Java JDK above 25 or later. Okay, so make sure that you are having that, and this is the way of adding the dependency, and this is the simple Java code that we need to create. Alright, so first let me create a Spring Boot project. I will just show you the Spring initializer step. I'm having here the project as Maven, Java, and rest are pretty much standard. I'm also having the Spring Web dependency. So just click on generate. The Spring Boot application has started. If you are getting any errors when running your program, make sure that you're having the correct SDK version. Okay, over here just check the settings. So for this, I'm just going to have a single controller file because we're just going to do a simple program. In your case, you can just have a service file and then directly use that service file inside the controller. So I'll just go here, and it's going to be new Java class, and let me just name it as Claude controller. Hit enter, and we have got the Claude controller over here, and we need to just have the REST controller annotation. That's done. Now let's add the Claude AI API key. So for that, go inside resources, application.properties, and here I will just paste it, anthropic.api.key. Here we need to pass our API key. So to get the API key, go to API keys here and click on create key, have a name for it, click on add, copy the key and close. If you want to disable it, you can click this and delete and disable, and just paste the key over here. Now we are done. Let's go to our controller, and now we need to access that API key in our code. So for that, just have a variable. It's going to be private string, and let's have it as API key, and we need to have an annotation which is going to be at value, and inside that it's going to be double quotes, a dollar, and a curly bracket, and inside this we need to pass the variable name that we are having in our application properties. So something like this. Yep, that is fine. And next we can have our REST endpoint. Okay, so for this, let me just have a function. It's going to be public string chat, and the thing is, I'll be passing the prompt from Postman, so I'll be having a request body over here of string prompt. Okay, so we can have the type of the endpoint. It's going to be at post mapping. Have an endpoint. I'll just go with chat, and here it's going to be at request body string, and the key name is going to be prompt. Alright, that's good. Now we can simply copy the code from the documentation. So go here, we are having the Java code. We can simply like copy this and put it here. After we paste the code, we'll be getting some errors. The reason is because we didn't add the Anthropic dependency. So just go here. If you go up, as you can see, we need to add this in the pom.xml. So this is the dependency. Already I have all of these, so I'll just copy this alone and go here inside this dependencies tag. At the end we can just add it, And after we make any changes here, we'll be getting this reload and sync Maven changes. So click this. Dependency has been added. Just go to the code now and hover over the line where it throws the error like this. Just click on import class and it will be getting imported. So do the same. This one is going to be from Anthropic, and same, make sure that you are importing it from Anthropic. Okay, just have a double check over there. Here also message import class Anthropic. All errors are gone now. Now I need to make few changes over here. Since I have added the API key in application properties, I can't be using the from env. So what I will do is I will just come here, remove it. It's going to be dot builder dot API key, and inside that we need to pass our variable, which is this one, API key, and it's going to be dot build. Alright, so this is the first change, and next one is you can change the model name over here. So if you want to, this is up to you. So here we are having these many models to choose from, so I'll just go with any one of these models, and maximum output tokens you can change it. And next is the prompt. They have basically hard coded the prompt over here, but we are going to pass it from the postman in the request body. So we need to just have it as prompt, this variable. And final thing is we need to return it, because here we are having the return type as string. So after this, what you can do is simply remove this, and we can have return. It's going to be message dot content dot toString. Alright, I guess that's good. Let me just rerun it and open postman. Here I am in the postman. The operation is going to be of type post and localhost 8080/chat, because that's the path we are having here, and we are passing the prompt. So go to body raw JSON, have the prompt over here. Let me just send it now. So this is the response that we are getting, and as you can see, this is the 2-line poem, but we are also getting some other keys also. So what if we wanted the string alone in our output? For that, go to our code, just have this now. Okay, it's going to be message.content.getFirst as text.text. Okay, let me just now rerun it. It has started. I will just go to postman and send it again. And this time, as you can see, I have just got the text alone and no other extra keys coming in the response. Now to know more about the Claude AI API, just go to the documentation, and to the left we'll be having so much of stuff available. Messages API, extended thinking, adaptive thinking, effort, we'll be having the structured output, streams, batch processing, so much of stuff available. You can just go through it, and if you want to know about the models and pricing, you can also like go here and compare the pricing of each models, okay, and try it out. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.